When I fall and grow weary, you remain faithful by my side. In the midst of storms and darkest nights, your light never fades. Your love never ends, always here for me. No love compares to yours. You hold my hand, wipe away my tears. Jesus, you are my everything. When I doubt and feel like giving up, your gentle voice calls me back. You lift my burdens, you heal my heart, my soul